What's a blockchain? You've been hearing the term being thrown around left and right, but you don't actually understand what a blockchain is. You know it's got something to do with crypto as well, but you're not exactly sure what the relationship between the two of them is. And besides all of that, what about NFTs and all the other stuff that people are talking about? Are they related to blockchains as well? Well, all your questions are gonna be answered, as in this video we'll explain what a blockchain is, how it works, and how that is related to the crypto industry. A blockchain is first and foremost a technology and is not synonymous with crypto or NFTs, but is the technology which enabled crypto and NFTs to become a thing. Think of it this way, a blockchain is an online ledger that keeps track of transactions. Cryptocurrencies need blockchains to run, as the blockchain is where all the transactions are being kept track of, so you can think of it as the engine that cryptocurrencies run on. Whenever a transaction happens, it gets written down on the blockchain, so that's how people know who owns which amount of crypto. The blockchain is unique and common for every user, so you'll have only one Bitcoin blockchain, one Ethereum blockchain, and so on. If we take the Bitcoin blockchain for example, we can see every Bitcoin transaction that's ever happened, and that's basically the proof that whoever owns a certain amount of Bitcoin really owns it. The blockchain is what enabled people to really own things on the internet. Before blockchain technology, you wouldn't have been able to really own anything online, as there would have been no way for your property to be attested. You could own items in an online game for example, such as owning a certain skin on CSGO, but there was no way for you to take that item out of the game and use it across platforms or in other games as well, so there was no unique online persona that you could have, having everything you own online attached to that persona. You could own something in CSGO, but that would have been tied to your CSGO account. You could own something in GTA Online, let's say, but then again, those items would have been tied to your GTA account. With blockchain technology, you'll be able to have a single account, say your MetaMask account, and have all items that you own online attached to that account. So just like in real life, you'll be able to have a unique online persona which owns certain things without being dependent on different iterations of your online presence, so different accounts. Those online items that you own would come in the form of NFTs, as that's what NFTs actually are. Items that people can own online. But if you want to know more on that, go watch this video after you finish this one. But now that we've established how NFTs and cryptocurrencies work in relation to the blockchain, let's take a quick look at some technical details. Blockchains are actually called that because they use blocks which are then chained together. As transactions get written down, they eventually form a block, and these blocks will then form a chain, hence the name of blockchain. We won't go into much technical details here, but other than that, you need to know that there's a couple of different ways in which blockchains could work. These are called consensus mechanisms, and they're pretty important, so if you want to know more on that, you should go watch this video next.